In example two, we're just going to describe the graph of each one of these polar equations. And the first one there, it says the radius is 17. Well, if the radius is 17, or the distance away from the center has to be 17, the way we can describe this is it's going to be a circle centered at 0, 0 with a radius of 17. If we look at part B, we have theta is equal to 13 pi over 4. And this is going to be a line. So I can write that right now. This is a line. And let's be a little more descriptive with this. 13 pi over 4 is definitely over 2 pi. So let's use what we learned in a previous lesson and try to find a coterminal angle between 0 and 2 pi. To do that, we're going to either add or subtract 2 pi. Here I want to subtract 2 pi, but I want a special form of 2 pi, which is 8 pi over 4. And the reason why I want that is I need my denominators to be the same. So 13 minus 8 is 5. There's a pi there. And then we've got 5 pi over 4. If you want a better picture of this and you work better in degrees, we could convert this into degrees, and that's 225 degrees. If you're struggling with that, just multiply by 180 over pi. Now, 225 degrees, if we graph that, that would look like this. But remember, when the r is negative, we're actually going to continue in the opposite direction. So the shape of this graph is going to look just like this. So it's a line through 45 degrees or 225 degrees. And we could also describe it as having a slope of 1. So you could add that too if you wanted to think about the rectangular part of this one.